Whenever I see someone needing to learn English, and let's face it, right, we shouldn't be needing to learn English. My tender heart tends to start to bleed. And when someone needs English lessons, that student has to pay attention to learn exactly what they need. And you learn what you need. Hi, I'm Celine. I'm from the Philippines. I teach English in the English language. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in English and have acquired a TEFL certificate. I have been teaching English online since 2021. I'm quick to notice grammar and pronunciation mistakes, so you can expect to learn that from me. My teaching method depends on the student. We could use the materials of this website or just have free conversations. My specialization is in writing, grammar, and conversations. Book lessons with me so that you'll get to improve your skills in the global language. Thanks for watching. Remember that knowing English, the world is yours to have as a friend. You've got a friend in me.